So, hello everyone, I am Nitin Rajput, currently serving as a research assistant in Delhi University. So, in today's video, we will see how to deploy a Magma Orchestrator. So, for that, we first need to create a virtual machine. So, let us create it. To create a virtual machine template, we will choose Ubuntu. Name, I will give it 90. 90 I have given because I will give the IP 90 to this virtual machine. CPU will be 4, RAM will be 8. Now we have to do a custom configure. So the host name and the password will be Ubuntu. Now the network configuration, as I have mentioned earlier, that we will give the 90. So we need to just change here only 90. Now move towards another part, which is interface. It's okay. Disk size will be 100. Now we are good to go. Now hit and click. It is loading. So before starting the virtual machine, we need to do some changes in advance. We need to turn on the nested virtualization. So yeah, this is good. Now we will start the virtual machine here. It is creating, you can see. Now it is created. Now we have to SSH into it. SSH Ubuntu and the IP address. You have to write yes, hit enter, password. Now we are inside the virtual machine. So the first is, now we need to clone the repository for the deployment of the orchestrator. So this is the repo. We need to clone it. Clone, hit enter. The repo is cloned, as you can see. Now change the directory to see the list. Now we have to move inside the deploy folder. So yeah, we first need to do some changes in the host.yaml. So let us do some changes. So here we need to provide the IP address of the host, which is 90, and Ansible user, which is Ubuntu. It is correct. Orchestrator domain, you can give your name or anything. So I am giving like Nitin Magma.local. Now we have to provide a 5 IPs. Okay. So our first step is to install the dependent collections. So currently we are on Ubuntu 20.04 setup, so we need to do. So after that, I have already done this part, as you can see. Ansible version, yeah, I have already done this part. As you can see, the collections here, it is clear now. Now another command, SSH, let us SS go in the .ssh directory. Yeah, now paste the command, enter the correct hostname and IP, enter, write yes, hit enter, write password, hit enter. Now due to this, the user doesn't need to enter the password again and again. Now I am exit from the virtual machine. Now if I SSH into the virtual machine, it will not ask me to enter the password, as you can see now. So this is the purpose of copying the public SSH key to the host. Now what was the next step? Next step is to add more IPs to the host. As we have, let us create a static IPs. So here we will add all the 5 IPs which we have entered in the host.yaml file. Same. So now correct the IPs. It is 91, 92, 394. Now save the changes. Now first see, before the changes, the IPs, there is only one IP. Now after applying the changes, we will see 5 static IPs that we have saved there will now appear here. As you can see, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, which is same as the IPs which we have given in host.yaml file. So after that, we need to deploy a Magma Orchestrator by running this command. So let us do this on our local machine. First go to the clone file. Under that, you need to go inside the deploy folder. See the list. Yeah, we have to use this file to deploy Magma Orchestrator. So let me clear the screen. Now paste the command, hit enter. Now generate DNS. Now we will copy this DNS and paste it to our local host. No, need to paste it. So so we will paste it here, master. Now another service is Magma Test, which uses the same IP. So we have written it adjacently parallel, which uses the same. So Magma Test which uses the same IP. Now save it, exit. Now what was the another step? The last step is to create a user. So first we need to check our pod is created, all of pod is created or not. So first let me clear the screen. Now write kubectl pods. So you can see pods are running. Elasticsearch and Fluentd are creating. So we can access that NMS dashboard by the generated, using the generated. I paste first. We will copy the IP. Here it is, Magma Test. First you need to copy this. Now you have to paste it on your browser. Advanced, accept the risk. It will on virtual machine. We need to create a user, run this command. After this we need to provide a certificates to the environment. Now the last is for NMS. And these two steps will create the user for master and the Magma Test service. So first we will create username password for master. It was created. Now we will create a username and password. Set the username and password. Now the user is created, password is admin. Now it will log into the Magma dashboard. So you can add a network here, give it a network ID as net, name as net, description as net, type you can give LT, save. The network is created. Now go to the network management. So this is all for now. Thank you for watching this video.